Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel, and it is my first official plan with me in my new Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. So what I will be doing today is actually decorating the January monthly spread, if I can find it here. As you can see, I've already done some pre-planning, and then I'm going to go in and actually decorate the daily spread for January. The daily, that's not correct, the currently spread for January. And what I will be using for these two spreads are going to be my winter watercolor florals from my December release, but I'll also try and incorporate some of these ink splatters from my December release as well. So let's get started. Okay, so where do I even start? Anyone else nervous starting a new planner? I know I definitely am, but I think this will definitely be good for me to kind of break the ice a little bit. So I have here the script washi from the Washi Tape Studio. I bought almost 4 rolls of the stuff because I knew that I would use it in almost everything. That's crooked, but that's okay. I'm gonna put this sticker down, the Live Simply Bloom Wildly, and making sure that that sticker comes off nicely. So if you haven't seen my monthly spreads before, what I use this for is for planning out what stickers I'm going to be using. I'm also planning out my social media on here, and then I also do any pre-planning of events and things. Part of me's thinking I'm probably going to do that pre-planning of stuff in my passport, because that's what I'll have with me out and about for appointments and things. So I'm still trying to figure out how that is going to work, but we'll see. So which floral do I want there? I think I want this one. Ooh, I think I have, I have so many stickers on the sides here, and I just want to make sure that, yeah, I think I'm good. Okay, so I'm going to place this one, making sure that, see, this is the thing with these clear matte stickers, is that they're so delicate. And oh, I love that. And then I think I could even put the big one here, couldn't I? Yeah, I think I could, but I almost want to leave space under here for a place for me to leave stats for YouTube, although I haven't really kept track of that, so I don't know if it would make a difference for me to start doing that now. I am going to put a pink circle over here and another one of these. So these stickers were hand painted by me, and then I scanned them and then transferred them to Procreate, and I really like the way that they turned out, and I have so much fun creating stickers that way. Oopsie. Because I think it's just such a great way to be able to still do art. What am I trying to say? To be able to do watercolor and use fountain pen ink and still transfer them to stickers is what I meant to say. So what I'm then gonna do is take all of these off. These are the Memo Me sticky notes from Stationery Pal, and I'm sure you could probably get them in other places too. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is go ahead and write in IG and YouTube every day, and then I'm going to include some of the videos that I know I'm going to be doing for the year, or for the month, and then the rest I will probably sticky note in. And the sticky notes are really, really helpful for me because some things I need to move around and whatnot, but I love this overall view of social media for myself because it's in one spot. I can plan things out, and it makes the whole process of social media that much easier. All right, so now that that's done, I feel like it actually now all looks very one note. I wish I had done the IG YouTube in a different ink color and then the actual videos in another color, but hey, that's done. And then normally what I would have done or before is I would have done the kids activities in there, but I realized that actually over 2023 I wasn't really referring to this for pre-planning of events like that, and I think that's what my passport planner is going to be mainly for, is for pre-planning any events that are coming up, and that's fine with me. So what I'm going to start doing actually is I'm going to include down here in a different pen color. Let's see, where is my, there we go, my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. I'm going to start keeping some stats here. So let's see what I want to keep track of. Ooh, I like this pink color. Perfect. And I'm going to keep track of some, let's say, YouTube. So this will be, how do I want to write this? Yeah, YouTube. And it'll be split into, I guess, subscribers and views, like total views. And then I will do one for Instagram. Just like so. And it will be just followers. Now, whether or not I keep up with this is going to be a whole other thing. And then I want to also keep track maybe of any affiliates, like Atlas affiliate and things like that. So let's see. So we'll look at affiliates here. We've got Atlas, according to Allie, and I know I still have my Hemlock and Oak, so we'll keep track of those. All right, so now that the main data or functional stuff is in here, maybe I can add a few more florals throughout. So, oh, why did I put my tweezers away? So I can take some of the smaller florals and, ooh, I forgot about the washi. So maybe grab my, I don't know where my pair of scissors are, so you guys get to see my kind of gross scissors here. And cut these. And place them down here. Oh, I like that. Then, I'm going to place a few more of the florals around. How do you guys use your monthly spread? I know some people use it for gratitude or one picture a day, and I love that. I love the, I guess, the versatility of the monthly spread overall, because there really is so much that you can do in here. Some people don't plan on a monthly basis, and that's totally okay. But I love that there is just a lot of possibility in terms of what you can do with this spread and how you can use it. I remember me personally, I used to do all of my social media planning in one specific planner, and that became quite a lot because I felt like I was just decorating every week but not really using it as functionally as I can, whereas this is just, it works so well for me as a social media planner, to be able to see everything that I need to film or take pictures of all at once. So, all right, I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I don't feel the need to add anything else here. So we will then go over to the currently page. All right, so we are at the first, I guess, blank page out of the back here. And I went ahead and counted all the pages, so where February should start, where March should start, etc. So I did all of that here so that I would be in a better position going forward. Now I have my month script, but I also have, you know, all of these stickers as well. So I think I'm going to start, how do I want to do this? Because I think what prevented me in terms of structure before was that the Hobonichi had the date up here and all of the quote down here, so it really didn't leave me much room to do anything, whereas this, I feel like I'm a lot freer to do what I want. So I'm going to place a couple of these circles in the middle with the January, and this is on the premium white matte sticker paper. Oh, I already like that. So I can remove this sticky note. And then up at the top here, whoops. Let's move this out of the way. Up at the top, I'm going to do currently inked. And how do I want to do this? Okay, inked. And then I think down here will be red. I think I also want to try, and this was kind of being mentioned in Simona's Discord server, trying to be better about goal setting. The thing with goal setting that always gets me is that I don't want to get so caught up in the goal setting that it becomes unhealthy. So I want to try and find a healthy balance between, you know, what it is that I am doing. So I think, is that enough space? I feel as if I need, I'm going to add a floral here. So I feel as if I want to be able to keep track of certain goals, but I don't want them to be so, what's the word that I'm trying to say? Like, I know goals are great in terms of wanting to do something outside of your comfort zone, but there's also the risk of it becoming unhealthy, and that's where I don't want to get to. So maybe what I'll do down here is I will do, I think, yeah, I'm going to do simple goals that I want to start doing for this year, and use at least this one, yeah. So goals are going to be things like, let's use the dots that I have here. You know, I want to read, let's say, read 10 pages per day. So at least one book per month. So that's one goal. The second goal that I want to start as well is meditate. I used to do this and it worked really well, and then I just stopped. So meditate for even just 3 to 5 minutes daily. And then if I'm also going to be reading, I also want to do audiobooks as well. So even if I listened to an audiobook, because one of the reasons for that is that I did not read as much as I wanted to this year. So let's say listen to audiobook, even at least 15 minutes per day. So simple, right? Then I'm going to, right next to it, still continue with the books that I have read. And I'll use this pink one. Perfect. So then I'm gonna go and let's leave these to the side. I'm gonna add some of this washi down at the bottom. Whoops. Ooh, there we go. Because why not? Love, love, love. Then I think I could put one of these circles down here. And then I think I could put 2 circles up here. You guys know that I'm trying to use all the stickers. I normally try to do that. And then the rest of that washi. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Perfect. I still have quite a few of these stickers left, but I think, yeah, that's a really big floral. I'm gonna try and use them. Why not? So maybe like this big one. Big one. Where can I put you? Maybe not. Maybe just these smaller ones. And then I think I should be okay. This is the thing with the clear sticker paper, is that it is, like I said before, a little fragile. But I don't mind because it makes it look like the stickers were painted right on the paper, and I love that effect. That's why I use clear matte sticker paper for most things. Oh, love it. Okay, so that is 2 sticker sheets done. All right, I think I'm going to enjoy being able to have this type of format for my currently pages. So let's do a bit of tidying up here. So there is the overall finished spread, my first monthly spread in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. And I really love the colors of this spread. It's both wintry yet fun. I really like it. And then going to the daily spread here, I really like the currently set up page. I think I'm definitely going to play around with the formatting of this, just because I know that for me, the currently was more for what my currently inked was and what I've read. But now that I have a place for goals, I think I really want to make use of that and choose 3 goals that I can work on every month. And then what I'm also going to end up doing once that is done is probably start putting tabs down so that I know where January starts for the daily pages. But I'm going to do that, I think, separately, because I don't have the tabs ready to go right this second, but I will do that separately. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.